Welcome to lecture 20. Today I am going to speak about blast furnace operation difficulties and their remedies. During the blast furnace operation, in the production of pig iron, there will be some irregularities. For the normal operation, endurance will occur. And how to solve those kind of problems will be discussed in this particular lecture. One of the problem is scaffolding. What do you mean by scaffolding? Scaffolding is nothing but large amount of mass which is absorbed at the wall of the blast furnace or near the tap hole of molten iron and slag, which hinders for the normal flow of or descent of the stock and flow of the molten pig iron and molten slag. So which is normal problem which is noticed as a scaffold. If for example, if you see the cross section, top cross section, one notch, slag notch 2, in the modern furnace there will be two types of slag tap hole and one is iron tap hole. So in this particular situation, which is hindered by the fused burden, the large amount of burden is fused, which is hinders for the normal molten slag taking out. So what are the main causes and effects of this particular thing? The cross section, for example, diameter of the tap hole is 3 meter or 30 centimeters. So it get reduced to 28 centimeters. And uneven movement of the stock. If somewhere else in the either of the side of the wall it's stuck by this particular scaffold mass, there will not be usual movement of the stock burden material. So there will be hindrance will come. So which we call as an uneven movement. And blast pressure. So it will come and it will hit these kind of the scaffolds. So obviously the blast pressure speed will decrease. You need to raise further blast pressure and temperature. And dust loss, because of this particular burden material hitting on this particular scaffolds, the dust particles will increase, and output obviously it affects on the yield of the blast furnace. You need to supply more and more coke, that is nothing but fuel consumption, and amount of gas produced, the CO gas for the indirect reduction participation in the blast furnace pig iron production will comes down. And what are the solution for these kind of problems? Reduce the alkali content of burden. Alkali content in the burden material which may include in the coke and iron ore, reduce it. Remove that particular alkali content at the charging itself during the feeding. Maintain the uniform refractories of this particular entire wall so that it can be solved, and decrease the fuel rate, and the fuel rate supposed to be decreased. And another problem is hanging. So what actually you mean by hanging? For example, if you are hanging, for example, this particular zone 200, 400, this particular cone shape in the middle or for the near the earth zone, any of the zone middle, there will be a hanging of the material which hinders normal operation. Those particular hangings are another difficulties. The usual descent of the burden material is interrupted by hanging of the stock, which hangs, which will not further move, which will not descend. It is the solid material supposed to be descend, and the gas from the bottom supposed to be ascend. So this hanging is the one of the problem noticed, and this hanging is categorized with these particular various definitions. Top hangings, which usually occurs in the upper stack zone, it is due to the carbon deposition. Excess amount of the carbon deposition is the main cause, and alkali vapors condensation, absorption of the alkali vapors, is the one of the reason. And a bottom hanging, which usually occurs in the Bosch zone, and it is due to the slag basicity. More siliceous slag is the cause for the hanging kind of the material. And general hanging, it may occurs throughout the blast furnace, maybe at the middle, bottom of the it may be in the earth zone, bottom, lower slag zone, upper slag zone, and those particular things may occur. And due to the low voltage of this particular stack column, these particular problems will comes out. And this particular, and it may be due to the high gas velocity in throughout this particular small sections of the furnace earth zone. And what are the causes and effects? Mainly one of the causes solidification of the previous fused slag. In the previous heat, that particular slag is fused or solidified, that forms a impervious mass, large impervious mass, which is form as a bridge kind of thing in between the slag zone. The bridging of fine ore particles in the vicinity of the fine coke, in between the coke particles, this bridge of the fine ore particles may form. That is the one of the cause. And deposition of the large amount of carbon in the vicinity of the this particular iron ore, and which hinders the decrease the permeability of this particular burden. So if the permeability is decreased, this CO gas ascends. It is supposed to ascend, it hinders, obviously the output will comes down. And condensation of alkali vapors in the upper slag zone, it forms a impervious mass, as I said. And excess hot blast pressure results the counteracting downward movement, so which will stop it should not be excess hot blast pressure. And what is the solution find kind of these particular problems? You add more limestone with the larger size particles. What actually happens if you use large size limestone particles is that if you add this particular CO2, and this CO2 decomposes at the higher temperature, so which forces to form the solution loss reaction and improves the permeability of this particular bed. And reduction of the blast pressure, another solution, and gas flow slowly and more uniformly it proceeds. And persistent hanging down, in between blowing down, if you choose that particular blowing down operations, filling with coke blanks, you can reduce this hanging problem. Another third problem is slipping. What do you mean by slipping? There may be sometimes the scaffold which are formed large mass, hanging also another kind of impervious mass. These suddenly slips, which leads to the explosion and sudden sinking of the stock into the molten metal and molten slag. This is another effect. Inappropriate Bosch design also causes the slipping. It should be a proper as per the standard dimension. The sudden slip of this cold material which was fused, previous fused slag or molten metal, so which leads to the serious explosions. What is the remedy for this kind of problems? Allow the furnace to fall scaffolds. Adjust whenever you observe these scaffolds and hangings are formed, and choose the temporary shutdown and increase the blast temperature and pressure and allow it to form and remove it from the tap hole or slag tap hole, molten metal tap hole. Another problem is fourth one, pillaring. What actually you mean? You know the building pillars, kind of pillars will form in the central cold central column in the blast furnace. Around it annular zone, burden material is stick to in this particular zone. So this is also a serious problem. And how do you detect these kind of things? You will come to know when you insert a iron bar from the shears. When you take out on the withdrawal, you will see one end hot and another end is cold. The middle looks like remain same, the cold column. So that is nothing but pillar. So once you realize this particular pillar and what are the causes, what affects it, hot blast is unable to penetrate till the end of the stack zone from the shears. So this is one of the effect you will realize to see. And what is the solution? Increase the blast pressure and chop out. If you realize these pillars are formed, remove, choose the temporary shutdown, remove these particular pillars. And another problem is chilled zone. The chilled zone also one of the serious disorder for the blast furnace operation. And how to detect what are the causes the chilled zone if it is formed? The excess moisture, the excess amount of moisture will develop in the blast, and leakage, it leads to the leakage in shears, leakage in the water coolers, sudden slip of the solid material, so causes this particular this moisture, excess moisture causes the explosion. And what are the remedies? Open the tap hole and use blow pipe or oxygen jet pipe and reduce the moisture amount in the burden material. And if this step is unsuccessful, remove that particular moisture content burden material from the emergency notch, cinder notch, which will call. And alternatively, either you can use alternate electric arc and you can melt out, you can heat out, you can reduce the moisture content. And connect, how do you do this particular electric arc is connect one of the pole to positive generator and in the earth zone, and a negative pole to the carbon electrode, and you can neutralize this moisture content. The last problem is leakage. This leakage maybe comes from due to the excess generation of the steam accumulate in the earth zone. It erodes the entire earth zone lining, it erodes out. It is also the serious problem. It should be assumed as a capital repair. You need to shut down for few days and you need to remove these kind of remove and repair these kind of problems. The indications, sometimes suddenly the explosion may occur and volume of the gases will escape. Usually it need to go out from the top of the blast furnace, uptakes and downcomer. So it may go out from the tap holes. That is one of the indication. The slag color becomes black and appears glassy. That is the indication that there is some leakage. The technicians observe and they will stop the blast furnace operation and they will proceed for the repair of these leakages. If the how do you proceed? The blast is taken off and you will insert the cold iron bar through the shears, and you will see that some moisture content is absorbed by that particular bar. And what are the some effects are, the disadvantages are, it erodes entire earth zone lining. What is the remedy? Slow down the blast pressure for the few days, shut down the blast furnace and repair all these particular leakages, and again restart. For the restart usual preparation, use the fine iron ore and coke blanks, fill it, stay for a while, and again restart the blast furnace. Let us conclude this particular lecture with these few questions. Let us know what are these particular blast furnace irregularities. List out them, just name. Due to the excess alkali content in the burden, it could be the iron ore and coke and cinders, the scaffolds forms. Justifies this its remedy if it forms. How do you solve this problem? Bridging of fine ore particles is a blast furnace irregularity. Justify its effect, what it causes if the bridge is formed. Is effect of normal permeability reduced. And inappropriate Bosch design leads to which blast furnace irregularity? So name that particular irregularity. Formation of cold central column of stock. When does this irregularity occurs? Why it occurs? What is the most serious disorder of the blast furnace operation? What is considered? And leakage during the blast furnace operation leads to explosion, leakage. So how do you avoid these particular things? Justifying, indicating and observing continuously and getting to know from the technician to engineers. And how do you solve these kind of problems? Solve these kind of things from these particular questions.